Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank y'all for clicking on this video. My name is Joyce McTier and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I'm coming to you ladies and gentlemen today to talk to you, actually to do a pop-up DIY on a memory wire bracelet, but I call this a memory wire bracelet 3.0. Y'all probably saying, Joyce, why are you calling it 3.0? Because I had to be a little extra. That's why. All right, y'all. So here are the items that you are going to need for this DIY special. If you can go back to the video that I was talking about the memory wire, I am going to be using some medium memory wire for this project. Okay, so you're going to need some memory wire. I have large and medium, so I'm going to be using medium. You're going to need some 8mm beads. Okay, it doesn't really matter. I showed y'all a haul that I did. I did a clearance from Walmart, and remember I showed y'all these beads right here. They were 98 cents. I'm going to be using pretty much all of these. I also have some white, it's like a rondelle cut bead. So I have a couple of those. And these are also the beads that I showed y'all that look like Pandora that I got for $1. So I got these I'm going to be using. Okay. I'm making a lot of noise, y'all. You're going to need some 12 gauge aluminum wire. I ordered this wire from Amazon. Okay, so 12 gauge aluminum wire. You're going to need a ruler. You are going to need some round nose pliers, some wire cutters, and some flat nose pliers. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get into this video. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the very first thing that I took the liberty of doing is I cut my memory wire. Already cut it. And this is pretty much how it is going to be. This is how mine looks. Now, let me show you pretty much how I do my memory wire when I cut it to make this bracelet. I start off with this piece right here, which is the piece that's already been cut. And then pretty much what I do is I go this piece, I go past one whole loop spiral, and then I come to the third spiral, which is right here. And pretty much all I do is try to make sure that I cut this third piece the same as the front piece, okay? I'm just going to show you just like that. Okay, and this is pretty much what you should have. Should be just like this, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to make a loop in one end of my memory wire. So I'm not going to make a loop over, I'm going to make a loop to the side. So I'm just going to take my round nose pliers and make my loop to the side. And then I'm going to take my flat nose pliers and just try to go in and squeeze that as close as I can. I'm going to have to, there you go. And this is pretty much what you want to have right there. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and start adding on my beads. Now my first bead is going to be this white one. White glass one. I'm going to take it all the way around to the end. And then I am going to add some of my blue ones in as well. So pretty much what I'm going to do, because all the other beads, these beads right here, these are going to be added to the top of my bracelet, which is going to be right here. So basically, all I'm going to do is I'm going to add on my white and my blue beads. I'm not counting anything to see how many I need. I ain't doing none of that, y'all. I'm just putting them on. I'm going to take it all the way around. just like this. So this is pretty much what we have so far. And I'm going to keep going until I get pretty much like to the middle of my bracelet. And I'm just like alternating. I'm doing blue, white, blue, white. And like I said, I'm going to do it until I get to the almost to the middle of my bracelet. Okay, bring that around. So this is pretty much what you are going to have so far. Okay, now basically I am still not at the middle yet, because I'm looking at how it is, and I'm not pretty much, so I'm going to add on a couple more of beads, because I want to you don't have to be completely at the center, but I want everything to kind of line up with each other. I'm going to bring these around. Now, I am there. Okay. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding on these pieces right here. So I'm going to add this one on, and then I'm going to add a white bead. I'm going to add this one on here and add a white bead. I'm going to add this one on and add a white bead. And this is pretty much what you are going to have. This is how your bracelet is starting to look. Now I'm going to add all of these on until I get the whole thing filled in the way I want it to be. I'm adding on this one. I'm going to add another glass bead. And then I'm going to add on this one. And then another glass bead. I'm going to add on this one. And another glass bead. I'm going to add this one on. Okay. And as you can see, this is what we have so far. Okay. And then I'm going to add on another white bead, because I want to use up all of these beads that I bought from the store yesterday. And put this one on, and then I'm going to add this one on. And this is pretty much what your bracelet is going to look like. Okay. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to alternating the two colors. So I ended up doing white. White was my last color, so I'm going to add on the white, and then the blue, and then the white, and then the blue, and then the white, and then the blue. Now this bracelet is going to be nice and, let's see, white, blue. This bracelet is it's going to be a little heavy. And you want your bracelet to be heavy, because when it's heavy, it feels like it's made of quality. Okay. So far, this is what we have. And I'm just going to finish this all the way up, and then I'm going to come back and show you all how to end it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so pretty much what you're going to have left is you're going to have about not even a half of an inch, little less than a half of an inch, well, little less than a half of an inch, okay? And basically what you're going to do is you're going to just make another loop on this side. So you're going to make your loop, just like that, okay? And that went in really, really well. And we're just going to squeeze it to make sure that there you go. And this is pretty much how your bracelet is going to end. Okay, so pretty much if you want to, you could leave it like this. You don't have to add on the wire. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so for the second part of this bracelet, you're going to have to cut out 60 inches of 12 gauge aluminum wire, and I have already done that, okay? So basically what I'm going to do, and this is a lot of wire, so bear with me, please. I am going to make I'll make a loop in the wire using my round nose pliers. And then I am going to start making a series of spirals, okay? Or curls, whatever you want to call them, spirals, roll-ups, or whatever. I prefer using my finger because my fingers, I can grip it much tighter than with the pliers. If you have some nylon pliers on hand, you can use those, okay? I basically start off with making my little circles, and then just bear with me for being out of the camera. And then I'm going to take my two fingers and I'm going to just start rolling it just like this, okay? And to me, it's just the feel with my fingers on the wire. I can't even explain it, y'all. It's just a different thing for me, okay? And this is basically it right here. And I think I did about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wrapped it about 5 times, okay? So this is what I have. Now I'm going to take my bracelet, and like I said, if you don't want to do this step, you don't have to. So basically, I'm going to start down at the end of my bead right here. And I'm just going to take my wire. Now, y'all going to have to bear with me because I probably will be in and out because I have so much wire and I'm in a little tight space trying to do this recording. So I'm going to take my wire, place it over top, and I'm going to just start wrapping each bead, okay? So let me just take it through one time. And when I take it through, I want to pull it as tight as I can get it, just like that. You want to make it tight, okay? And then I'm going to take this piece, I'm going to come over, pull that tight. This piece come over like I'm coming from the side, and I'm going to start wrapping it this way, just like this, okay? So I'm going to be coming over like to the side and going under my bead. Over, under, okay, over and under. Now, to keep this video from being excessively long, I'm going to go all the way through, and then I'm going to come back and explain to you guys basically what I have done as far as this bracelet, okay? So I will be right back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so basically I'm going to show you what I did. I started on this end, and I just started wrapping my wire in between. I'm sorry, y'all. I tried to get in between, and when I got to the big pieces, I just went over them completely. Okay, just like this. Now I'm all the way down to here, and I'm just going to continue to wrap this in. Now basically what this is going to do, this is going to cause your bracelet to be really, 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 really tight. Okay, really tight. Okay, really tight. Now basically, I'm going to measure this piece right here because I have quite a bit left over. And this very last thing that I'm going to show you how to do, we have about, let me see what we have here left. We got a lot left over, y'all. Like, that's 12. And 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We got about 19 inches left. 19 inches left of wire. So basically, what I am going to do, I'm gonna do what I would like to do. All right, y'all. So we're going all out with this bracelet right here. This is just a bracelet. This is something for someone who like different stuff, y'all. This is a bracelet for someone who likes different things, and you will always find someone who likes something different. So basically, y'all, all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make some more spirals, and I'm gonna take it all the way to the end, because I basically really wanted it to be big. I wanted it to be large, nice sizes, I should say. And it's still, like I said, it's still connected to my bracelet. But I'm just showing you something different that you can do with memory wire. You can make so many different types of different things with memory wire. So basically, y'all, this is it right here. And what I did with this bracelet, what makes it so different, is that you won't see this, because that's hidden from this, on both sides, okay? So let's just try it on and see what we have here. Look at that. That's gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. And this puts a different spin on memory wire. Okay? And it's not going to come off. And you can do this in many, many, many colors. Like I said, I made this from the beads that I got yesterday from Walmart. And here we have it. And you can wear it different ways. You can wear it any way you would like to wear it. You can push that down like that. You can wear that on the side if you would like. Just something different. Okay. So I want to thank everybody who has decided to watch this video today. Like I said, for those of you who follow me on Instagram, my Instagram page is LaGeorgia Creations. If you decide to make this, please tag me in it so I can see your creation and see what you came up with. I want to thank y'all for watching today. Have a wonderful and awesome weekend, everyone. Peace and blessings. And for those of you who are new to my channel, please please subscribe, hit that bell that is on the side, so that when I upload more videos, ladies and gentlemen, you will be notified. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.